I am so excited to say that I finally got my very first customized clown suit from Abysswares. I'll tag them below. I am unboxing the cap right here, and you can see how flexible the fabric is when I stretch it out. I believe the clown suit and the cap are both made of the same material, and it's a super breathable one. As you can see later in the video, I do a lot of activity and it's super durable, and I wasn't getting hot, and I am easy to overheat. I love the little cap. You can definitely stuff it to make it stand up like a smurf. Most of the clown suits I've had in the past have had zippers, but this has a unique drawstring, and I really love that. Now we're getting into the real Clown Olympics. I start going absolutely bonkers right about here, and I just throw everything at the wall. And after I put the collar on, of course, I am testing this thing out. I want to see the durability of it. I want to see how much I can move. I've had clown suits rip on me, okay? I can't afford that, okay? I was looking for something that was gonna. I was looking for something that was gonna hold up to my lifestyle, and my lifestyle is bonkers, crazy, chaotic. You don't know what's gonna happen with me. I don't even know what's gonna happen with me. Right now, I'm twirling. I have my troll room, and everything is holding up. I have room. I'm comfortable. I also have sensory issues. I am neurodivergent, and this was one of the comfiest pieces of clothing I have worn in a long time. I haven't even mentioned that this clown suit didn't even originally exist on their website like this. They had a pattern on these pants and I think a vest with this star pattern, and I went to the owner and said, "Hey, do you think you could customize a clown suit with this pattern?" And within a day they had the idea whipped up for me to see. I want to say it took like 2 weeks and 2 days for it to arrive at my doorstep after ordering it, but it was well worth it. Shout out to the owner of Abysswares. You made my clown dreams come true, and I can't wait to go to you for more ideas because I'm definitely gonna have more silly clown ideas, and I cannot wait for all the clown suits to come. The first time I went to a circus, it was a seasonal show from Cirque du Soleil called Wintuck. I was around 7 years old, and I fell in love with all things clown, surrealist, and performance. And from then on, it just developed. Like, it just kept on growing, and it never stopped. And here I am, and I got my first clown suit, and I've never been happier. Like, comment, and subscribe for more clown content.